to you too. Today I am here to speak about International Yoga Day. Wishing you a very happy Yoga Day. It is celebrated globally on the 21st of June every year. First, Yoga Day started in 2015 by our Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi in New Delhi. On that day, record number of people practiced yoga in Delhi under the leadership of Indian Prime Minister. It was a world record for the highest population in one yoga section. This is a great achievement for Indians. Yoga Day is celebrated to let you know that regular yoga practice led to improves our focus, strength, lowers the risk of diseases, mental, physical and intellectual health. It should not be introduced as just form of exercise. It should be considered a mantra for a happy and a peaceful life. From me, this is a small effort towards making our yoga part of everyone's life. Yoga Day aims to spread awareness worldwide of the many benefits of practicing yoga. So, start yoga and experience the benefits yourself. Thank you. I also thank you team ma'am for giving me an opportunity to speak few words about Yoga Day. Have a great day.
Good morning to all. Today we are celebrating Yoga Day. Yoga means Y means yoga. O means objectives. G means guidelines. A means assessment. So your objectives, guidelines, assessment. So today we are celebrating 21st June only, World Yoga Day. So this our present Prime Minister Narendra Modi suggested in United Nations General Assembly in the year 2014, 27th so September. So he suggested yoga. So actually yoga, it is not a new concept, it is old concept. Pre-Vedic period only yoga there. So actually Shiva very famous for yoga. Yoga it is traditional and also religious. It is even and not only that their yoga so introduced in Vedic period also afterwards also. So one of the father Patanjali is the great sage Patanjali. So he is called Maharshi Patanjali only and he is regarded as a father of yoga. Father of yoga Maharshi Patanjali. So Maharshi Patanjali, so he gave so many details about yoga through his sutras that we are called as Patanjali Sutras only. So Patanjali Sutras are there. In that so many asanas are there. So Urdhvasana, Matsyasana, like that so many asanas are there. Each and every state also provide good health for us. So Narendra Modi's idea in 2014-27 September accepted United Nations General Assembly, means all the member countries of the UNO, and they selected June 21st only, so Yoga Day. Why June 1st only selected? Actually, today is the longest day. So longest day means longest daylight. So today's sunrise warrior, it is very beneficial for our health. So today sunrises are there, falls on our body means we are getting more health benefits. Because of these reasons, June 21st only they are selected as a Yoga Day. And not only that, so yoga, it is very helpful to all the people. So yoga, it is helpful to the, so not only body and even the mind relaxation also. It is body and mind relaxation, both benefits we can get through yoga. And today, this year motto, yoga motto, so yoga, self and society. So every year they are adopted one motto or one theme. So this year theme, so yoga, society, and yoga, self and society. So this yoga benefits, it is very beneficial for the heart patients also. Even though arthritis, who are facing problems, arthritis, for them also very helpful, and back pain, who are ಒಂದು so mind relaxation also we can possible to get in two in one way. So the body and mind both also so relax through the yoga. Because of these reason only our Narendra Modi Prime Minister suggested yoga day celebration in all the schools. Because of this today half day and so in all the schools they are celebrating yoga day along with yoga. So thank you one and all.